Welcome to this course on computer networks. My name is Neminath. I am the instructor for this particular course. So I work as a professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at IIT Indore. So this course can be taken by undergraduate level students, mainly the ones studying in the computer science and the IT streams, and also by the faculty members who teach the undergraduate level courses. This is a 12-week course, and there will be 2.5 to 3 hours of recorded videos posted every week. This will be the lectures. Along with that, we will also post assignments every week, and we'll also provide the solutions for the assignments every week. And the delivery schedule of the course would look something like this. The module 1 comprises of the basic stuff. We'll discuss the basics of fundamentals of the computer networks and also the different application layer protocols, and something called as the delays encountered during the transmission. And during the weeks 5 to 7, we'll discuss the transport layer protocols. We'll also study something called as the reliable data transmission. What are the issues encountered during the reliable transmission? How do we actually overcome them? The third module, spanning the weeks 8 to 10, we'll discuss the network layer functionalities and also the protocols associated with the network layer. We'll also look into some of the routing protocols available at the network layer. In the last 2 weeks, we'll discuss something called as the layer 2 architecture or the link layer architecture and associated protocols. We'll also discuss the error detection and the correction mechanisms in the last 2 weeks. So I invite all of you to enroll to this course. Hopefully, we will have a fruitful learning journey together. Thank you.